Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in to this recipe. I am sharing with you how to make the most delicious egusi soup. I'll add meat inside the pot. I'm using goat meat. You can use any meat of your choice. Beef stripes. I'll season with pepper, onions, salt, season, mix to combine everything together. I'll cover and leave it to cook in its own juice on a medium heat without adding water for 15 minutes. 15 minutes later, I'll add enough water to cook the meat. Cover and leave it to cook until the meat is ready. In a blender, I'll add the egusi. I'll cover it and I'm blending it dry. I like to blend it dry so I can control the amount of water I use in mixing it. To the blended egusi, I will add half of a blended onions, water, add a little bit of salt, and mix it until everything is well mixed. And I'll set that aside. In a pot, I'll add some red palm oil. When the oil is hot, add sliced onions and stir. I'll fry the onions for 3 to 5 minutes. Add the egusi. I'll keep stirring on medium heat for 15 minutes until it dries up and look like this. Add water, meat stock, blended pepper, crayfish, locust beans, season, and stockfish. Stir. I'll cover and leave it to cook for 20 minutes. 20 minutes later, I'll add dried fish, cooked meat, and stir. There are different methods of making egusi soup, and this is one of it. It's called the fry method. When you use this method to make your egusi soup, it will last long without going bad, and this one does not upset the stomach. I'll add bitter leaf, stir. I'll cover and leave it to cook for 10 minutes so the bitter leaf can cook well. 10 minutes later, the soup is well done. I'll finish it up with vegetable. I'm using spinach. You can use any vegetable of your choice. Stir. Taste, adjust, season if needed. At this point, my kitchen smells divine. I wish you can perceive the delicious aroma that is going on here in my kitchen. Once it's well stirred, I'll turn off the heat. The residual heat will cook the vegetable. Serve and enjoy. I'm having it with pounded yam. What will you be having this soup with? Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.